Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Bosch Dishwasher Drain Hose. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new drain hose. The drain hose is what carries the dirty water out of the dishwasher. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and leaking. In order to pull out the dishwasher, we have to first disconnect the lines from underneath the cabinet. With the cabinet open, we can disconnect the drain line. We're going to use our pliers and move this clamp over from the end of the drain hose. And then we have to pull this hose out of the fitting. Next thing we have to do is remove the fill line. It's usually connected to the hot water tap, and of course we already had that shut off and the power disconnected from earlier, but now we need to remove the line, and we can take it off with a 5/8 inch wrench. Now that we have everything disconnected underneath the sink, we can open up the door and remove the two screws that attach the dishwasher to the cabinet. We can lift up the dishwasher door, and then you can use the door to very carefully wiggle the dishwasher out of the cabinet. Once you have it out, then you can grab the frame. In order to get the drain hose out of the assembly, we're going to hold it down so it doesn't shake out of place, and just pull down on the hose to get it out. Now that we have the drain hose disconnected from the assembly, we can take a screwdriver and press on this tab. And once we have that pressed down and out, then we can release the lower one and push this little block out. Once we have it out, then we can pull it out through the back of the machine. Here's the old drain hose next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we do have to take off this little retainer clip. All you have to do is pull it off. It just snaps on. And then we can put it on the new one, which it has some markings right here where it goes. And all you have to do is press it down so it's in that area. And there's some little lines that go in between the ridges. And once you have that in, we can go put it in. Now we can put the new drain hose into the dishwasher. We're going to feed this through the hole that we took it out of. And then we can pull the mounting bracket through. You can press it from the back side too. Once you have the bracket locked into place, you can take the end of the drain line, make sure you hold this down again so it doesn't come out, and push it up into place. First thing we need to do is put the lines back through the cabinet. Now that you have the lines through the cabinet, we can push the dishwasher back in. And then go underneath the sink and pull on the hoses to make sure that they're not kinked or caught on anything underneath. We can push the dishwasher back in the rest of the way. With the dishwasher in the cabinet, we can open up the door and put the screws in to hold it to the countertop. And then we can close the door. We can hook back up the lines. So we're going to hook up the water line and use our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down. Now we can hook the end of the new drain line up to the garbage disposal. Make sure you push it in all the way. And then we can take our pliers and move the clamp over. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and give it a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.